What's up, guys? Welcome back to So Many Parks, So Little Time, or as I like to call it, So Many Porks, So Little Time, Too Many Porks. So today we are at Disneyland in Anaheim, California, and does this park really need any introduction? This is the original theme park, opened up in 1955 and changed the course of theme park history forever. This was Walt Disney's vision, and today it is thrilling millions of guests. If you haven't already seen it, part one of this series is actually Galaxy's Edge specifically. This one is more encompassing the rest of the Disneyland Resort, including Disney's California Adventure. But yeah, there was a lot to see and we got a big day ahead of us, so let's just cut to the chase and let's take a look at Disneyland.
Sawdust on the floor.
Oh boy. Drop number one. Whoa!
Hey, hold up. There.
Oh my goodness, I had forgotten just how good Space Mountain is. Dude, you are hauling by the end of the ride. I forgot just how fast you hit those brake runs, those final turns at the end. It is a legit awesome roller coaster. I'll have to see if I can get another ride on it because it is so good.
Whoa!
Okay, so we spent quite a bit of time in Disneyland, so let's change things up a bit and go to Disneyland's second gate, California Adventure. Now, California Adventure has had kind of a rough history. They opened up in 2001 to very mediocre reviews and some rushed rides and really not so great investments. However, over the past couple of decades, they have been just improving, building up their ride roster and just adding high quality attractions. So yeah, the last time I was here, the park was already on the up and up, but now it's probably at the best it's ever been. So let's go inside and check it out.
Hi! Hi, I like the shirt.
This guy. Hearing your insistent blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends.
Wait, Rocket, the Walkman.
Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it!
Dude, Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout is just pure fun. Sorry for the original Tower of Terror, the 2004 model that was here, but Guardians is better. Everyone on the ride was just having a blast, and it was so much fun. Honestly, that was probably one of my favorite rides that I rode today. It's just so good. But we got a couple roller coasters to do, so let's head on over to Pixar Pier.
baby's a good driver.
Looking good. Get leaned out. All right. Shiny paint don't win races. Now get up there and feel it. Most glorious rest of your life. What do you go?
So Radiator Springs Racers was actually pretty darn good. Obviously the closest ride you can compare it to is Test Track, and I do like the indoor portion of Test Track better, but I love the outdoor portion of Radiator Springs Racers. The racing aspect brings a whole new level to it. The bunny hills racing through the canyon, it is just so well done. And then this whole Cars Land area it looks really, really good. Probably gonna catch some flack for this, but it's almost comparable to Galaxy's Edge in terms of detail. This looks exactly like the movies. Bravo to Disney's California Adventure for really, really turning this park around and turning it into something special. I cannot wait to see what this park continues to do in the future. How dare Disneyland steal Adventureland Iowa's entrance plaza? In case you're wondering, no, we are not riding this today. It does look nice at night, though.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland.
So that was my 16+ hour day at Disneyland, and I am just wrecked. And I mean that in the best possible way. I am completely worn out. My body feels so broken. I walked across this park, across California Adventure so many times, and I could not be happier with how today turned out. This place just has such a unique, high quality, immersive collection of attractions that you can't find anywhere outside of the Disney brand. Universal comes close, but this place just puts you in sets, puts you in worlds. Despite spending well over half a day here, I could have easily spent another day just checking things out that I didn't try out today. And I haven't even begun to talk about all the useless stuff that I've been buying throughout today. So yeah, big shock. Disneyland is a destination theme park that you should definitely go to at some point in your life. I absolutely look forward to the next time I come back here. I look forward to more Star Wars, more magic, more innovation that brings the past, present, future imagination to life. But until then, I think I'm going to go sleep for the next couple of days. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already seen the Galaxy's Edge portion of the video, go check that out. That was posted before this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care.